two different ways you can do your corners with shingles. One is to use standard trim. The second option is to do what is known as the woven corner. To create this, you alternate shingle courses on both sides of the wall, ripping every other factory edge, touching up the planed edge on each side.